The Grinch woke up, stretching and yawning as he glanced at the calendar. His eyes narrowed. February 14th, Valentine's Day. He groaned loudly. Outside his window, the town of Whoville was already buzzing with excitement. Pink and red decorations covered every shop. Hearts dangled from lampposts, and the Whos were exchanging hugs, chocolates, and cards. The Grinch scowled. Love? Kindness? Hugs? Disgusting. He couldn't let this nonsense continue. He had to put an end to all this cheerful, sappy business. A wicked idea curled into his mind, and a sly grin stretched across his green face. He would ruin Valentine's Day, one sneaky trick at a time. Creeping into town, he got to work. He swapped the boxes of rich, delicious chocolates with mushy, bitter Brussels sprouts. He scribbled over the sweet messages on Valentine's Day cards, replacing them with grumpy notes like, "Roses are red, violets are blue, I don't like hugs, and neither should you." With each trick, he chuckled to himself, sure that Whoville would be in shambles by the afternoon. But something strange happened. When the Whos opened their Valentine's chocolates and found Brussels sprouts, they didn't cry or frown. They laughed. They started sharing them, even holding a Brussels sprouts eating contest right there in the town square. The ruined Valentine's cards? The Whos thought they were hilarious. The Grinch stood frozen, his grin fading into confusion. This wasn't the reaction he expected. Just as he was trying to make sense of it all, a small figure approached him. Cindy Lou, who held out a bright pink Valentine's card, smiling up at him. "Happy Valentine's Day, Mr. Grinch," she said sweetly. "We love you just the way you are." The Grinch blinked. His heart gave an unexpected thump. He looked down at the card, simple, kind, no tricks, no pranks. Love? For him? He opened his mouth to protest, to scoff, to turn away, but instead he reached out, hesitantly taking the card in his long green fingers. For a moment he stood still. Then, with a huff, he grabbed a heart-shaped chocolate and took a bite. It wasn't bad. With a final grumble, he muttered, "Fine, but no hugs." The Whos cheered, and as they danced and celebrated around him, the Grinch sat with them, chewing on his chocolate, pretending he wasn't enjoying himself. Maybe Valentine's Day wasn't so bad after all. The end.